Hello guys, welcome to Elite Professional. In today's video, we are going to create this amazing waterfall chart in Excel. Right, so without using plugins. There are plugins in the market that you can use to create a waterfall chart that makes your work easier. However, it comes at a premium, so if you don't want to pay that, then you can use your traditional way of creating a waterfall chart in Excel. It is a bit easier now, and basically I'm going to show us 3 ways how to create this waterfall chart in Excel. Right, so I have this data, so I'm going to show the first method here, then you can watch my other videos to see how you can use the other 2 methods. Well, this method has a shortcoming and we're going to discuss that. Right, so this is the free cash flow that shows the beginning to be negative 3,000, then to the ending to be 4,002. So this shows this is the previous balance from 2018, December 2018, which we carry over to 2019 Q1, and then this is our current balance as of 2021. So we are trying to show a story of how we move from one point to another. And that is all what waterfall is all about. So waterfall chart shows you how you move from a position to another position. Just a journey between point A to point B. You can use waterfall charts to show your impact from revenue, how you move from revenue to your EBITDA margin, or from, within your OPEX, within your CAPEX. You can use waterfall chart to show anything as long as you're trying to show a journey between a particular point to another point. Alright guys, so we have this, and I'm going to show, so I'll make a little tweak here. Instead of putting a comma and then making this to look this way, so simply come to after Q1, then press Alt Enter to make the year to be in another, within the column but another line, within that same column. Right, so this is what I want to do. So the carryover, I'm going to put start to know that this is where we are starting from and this is where we are going to end. Right, so I'm going to do this. Alright, so you can just press Control on your keyboard or Command on your PC, then go to chart, then go to more chart, then you can use recommended chart here, or you can simply go to your insert, then go to chart where you have here, then other chart, expand this, then go to your recommended chart. But the shortcut to this is just press Control once you highlight the columns you want to project, then click OK. Right, so now that we're here, we need to make some tweak just like to make our visual more attractive. Right, so I don't want some things here. So this is showing a journey where this is where we're starting from position 3,000 and then to the current balance here. So I'm going to make this a total to show that this is a total, right? So let's make this a total. Okay. Then equally, I'm going to make this a total as well. Right. So it means that we begin from 0, then down to a negative 3,000, then we move from there. We have a positive value of about 400, then about 1,005, and then about 3,000, then about 350, then to about 950, which we went a little bit higher above 0, somewhere around 100 or 200 thereabout above 0. So which means we became positive here. Then we move from here to about 1,000, right? So then again we have a negative flow. So this is our negative flow. Then a positive flow again, so then here again kind of break even, kind of 6,000, then I think this is on the 0. Okay, so it's not on the 0. Then we have a positive value here, then 500. At the end of the day we end up with 4,002. Right, so that's the journey of where we were December 2020 Q4 2018. Then this is our current position right now. Right. Okay, so let's make some few adjustments here. Remove this. Right. So this is blue indicate increase, that is positive values, while this indicate decrease, and then this indicate total. So I'm going just to remove this. Right. So this chart You can edit this chart. Let's write it here. We'll do that later. Free cash flow. Okay, so again, I want to remove this. We know that this is 0, right? So no need to have this label here. Let's remove this. And I want to, so the challenge, one of the drawback of this is because you see that we have all these labels to be on top, then when it comes to the negative value, they are below, right? So it's a bit difficult to move this to be all at the top, right? So you see, you can always, if you put it inside, fine. You can put it inside base, which is still fine. Then outside, but there's no way to move it above the bars. So these are one of the main challenges that we have with this. However, you can put it inside if you don't want to put it anywhere else. You can just put this to be center and it looks fine, no issue at all. All right, again, so I'm going to, okay, so from here I'm going to increase the gap here. So let's come here, let's change the gap width to be about, let's say about 25%. Right, then so that means manually I have to change this to, so this have to be green because it is positive, right? So let me, okay, so not everything, I have to double click on this, then make all this green. So once you have challenges clicking on that, I just try to increase this, make it bigger. So let's make this outside. So I think I like it this way, although some of these are below and then I want them to be on top, but no, that's what we can do. That is okay, so which is not bad, this makes sense. Then let me just decide to put this inside. I think it makes more sense to put this inside than outside, so let's put it at the center. Okay, so which is fine. Alright, so this is how you use your waterfall chart in Excel. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can make it more flexible and then without going through the stress of changing the color one after the other. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, give us a thumb up and then subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.